Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today, the defendant learns a lesson about how the choices we make can come back to bite us. He thought he could talk his way out of taking a court order evaluation, but the judge wasn't having it. One by one, she calmly laid out how every choice comes with consequences, and for him, those consequences hit hard. Let's see how fast this reality check evaporates his bravado.
Hello.
Oh,
Hi. So here's the thing. You're supposed to be interviewed for a MIC evaluation and then ISF. So if you are disruptive, I'm not saying anything is true, but if you are disruptive, what's going to end up happening is a motion to revoke may be filed. Do you understand?
yeah.
All right. So there you go. So there, I ordered an evaluation for you, and it was for a MIC evaluation and ISF, and that was supposed to take place while you were in custody. So if I receive more reports that you are being disruptive to the people who are coming to interview you, what's going to end up happening is a motion to revoke is going to be filed. And if a motion to revoke is filed, and if it's deemed to be true, the allegations within the motion, then you're looking at potentially 4 years in the prison. Do you understand?
Yes, man.
Is there anything you do not understand?
But I don't understand. When I signed for probation last year in November 30th, but the methamphetamine was dropped. So technically, I never got charged with the methamphetamine. I just don't understand why I'm doing this ISF treatment if I was in trouble, charged with the drug case.
All right, so what I can tell you is that you and your attorney agreed probably to have the motion to withdrawn. In exchange for that, you are to do the MIC evaluation and ISF. What I'm telling you right now is you're supposed to be interviewed for a MIC. So they're supposed to be doing a MIC evaluation and they're supposed to be sending you to ISF if you don't qualify for MIC. I want you to hear me clearly. Those are the orders of the court, period. This whole thing about what should have happened with your motion to revoke and why this or why that, you're past that point because your attorney in the state agreed, most likely, to withdraw the motion, alternate amend conditions. And when they altered and amend conditions, that was to avoid you being sent to prison, potentially for 4 years. So where we are now, if you do not want to do the evaluation, those are choices you make. If you do not want to go to ISF, that's a choice you make. And then guess what? Choices have consequences. So if you don't want to do that, that's on you.
Judge, I would like to point out that once the refusal was done for the MIC evaluation, um, the state ISF packet went ahead and was sent in. So he is now on a wait list to be medically cleared for ISF. So I would like the court's direction on the MIC evaluation. Do we want to see if he can get that done before being transferred, or
Well, it depends on him. This is what we'll do. Reschedule the MIC evaluation. If you don't want to take the MIC evaluation, that's a choice you can make. If he doesn't take the MIC evaluation, then that's a violation, allegedly, of his probation, and a motion to revoke needs to be filed. So reschedule the MIC evaluation.
do you want me to take him off the list for state ISF currently?
Yes. Because when is he up for state
We
ISF?
don't know, and I don't necessarily want to push that off because the wait time could be much longer. I'll see if we can get the MIC evaluation done before
Can you
transport.
do the MIC evaluation but keep the ISF? Him on the
Yeah,
list?
that's what I'll see if I can
Okay.
get it done before it's transported.
All right, let's do that.
Okay.
All right, thank you. Yes.
I'm placed on suicide status. Okay. So, uh, now I go back. I never refused to take it. I was called at the corporal that refused it. She was in a bad mood and she sent me back for no reason. And I did mention to her, it's a court order. It's a sativa that.
All right, so this is what I'm telling you. This is what I want you to listen to me and hear me. I want you to hear what I'm saying. I want you to internalize what I'm saying. Now, reports I've received is that you have been disruptive and using profanity. Hmm. Guess what? I always tell people be kind to each other. Don't do that because you're just making other people's days hard. But if you want to do that, that's completely up to you. You're an adult. How old are you? All right, you're 47 years old. So let me explain something to you. In our lifetime, we have choices to make. What I'm telling you is, I have ordered them to do another MIC evaluation. If you don't want to take the MIC evaluation, that's a choice.
I'm really.
If you don't want to go to ISF, that's a choice. But let me explain something to you. Every choice that you make, and if you try to call it a non-choice, it's really not a non-choice. It's a choice not to do anything. There are consequences. That's what I'm telling you. So thank you.
That's what happens when you try to dodge responsibility. The judge wasn't playing around, warning him about the consequences of his choices, but also offering a lesson in accountability. The big question now is, will he take it to heart, or will he end up back in the same situation? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gripping courtroom moments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.